Hello, welcome to my channel. This is a reading for Leo Sun, Moon and Rising for the week starting on May 17 to May 23rd. In this reading, we'll talk about recent past energy, the current energy, and the recent future energy. Let me clarify. So, in the recent past, you could be dealing with the Capricorn Leos, or you could be dealing with a fire sign or with an air sign also. What I'm sensing over here is like an extremely toxic energy that you were dealing with, Leos. Somebody who this person could have probably been dishonest with you, or cheated on you, or done something really really sick to you, because that's the kind of vibe that I'm sensing. Probably they didn't support you in the time that you needed them, or probably they were not there for you, or they just like shook your belief system and broke your trust in some way. I'll clarify this energy later. The present energy right now, Leo, is you're diving into your subconscious. There's a lot of pain that you're experiencing right now, and at the same time, Six of Cups. So you're absolutely like feeling lost right now. This looks somebody who's like experiencing a lot of pain, but at the same time feeling absolutely lost about it. Like you don't just have a direction right now. Um, I do see you guys trying to move on in the future energy, and really rising above this. Let me just clarify the recent past first. Some of you, really wanted to last with this person. Some of you wanted to marry this person, and this person wanted to marry you too. Please let me know. Okay, Leo. So your recent past energy would be that, of course, this person has really put you down. As I try to sense this person's vibe is that's Knight of Swords. So they were probably moving towards you with a lot of passion. They were probably moving towards you with no direction. But Leo, as far as you are concerned. You are that nurturing, you are the empress, you are somebody who can really nurture a relationship to like a very great extent and make something great out of it. And that's exactly what you were expecting out of this equation. When you are the empress, you were at least expecting a king of cups to come in. You were at least really wanting that whenever you would be in need, or whenever you are down, this person would show up for you. But that hasn't happened, and of course, the person that you were dealing with was not very well equipped to deal with their emotions and your emotions, and they clearly didn't know what to do with the kind of trust that you've placed on them, with the kind of accountability that you expect in an equation, because you are that loyal and accountable, clearly. So this is definitely left you very stuck. It's a very stuck energy. The recent past energy is extremely stuck, and at the same time, this person has really put you down, and you know has not been what you expected them to be. and for some of you, it could be that there was some sort of support that you were looking for, and they totally showed their back when it was time for them to support you. But they were really full of big. They really had a big mouth, and they really promised you all sorts of big things to make you theirs. But now that you are there, they have totally taken you for a ride, and they're not really showing up in the way that would be emotionally fulfilling to you. Let me read the present energy wise. Six of Cups. Well, it's very clear. It's very clear. Ten of Cups and Ten of Cups. So Leo. The thing is that the problem is that you really wanted to marry this person. You really looked forward to a future with this person, and you really saw it happening in a very happy way. But at this point of time, this particular incident where this person has not really been there for you, has really left you out in cold when you really wanted them to be there the most. It's really left you in shock, and at the same time, it's really left you questioning it all. Like you're in that space where you're questioning all the time that you've spent this with this person, and you're also questioning all the all the investment that you've made, so to say, in this equation. And it's left you confused, it's left you anxious, it's left you sleep deprived, it's left you directionless, it's left you feeling very much invalidated, like you just have this feeling as to where have I invested myself all of this while. And it's really got you feeling a lot fucked up, Leo. I mean, you're also just questioning your choices at this point of time, and you're feeling absolutely lost because you didn't see this coming, because you really expected this to go somewhere healthy. Let me clarify the future energy for you. Sure, Leo. So in the future energy, first of all, Leo, I do see you guys, coming back in your power. I do see you guys now, becoming logical about it, not anymore flowing with the ocean of emotions that you all are, and you are just going to, treat it with logic. First of all, you're going to, get into self-care. You're going to, really nurture yourself, nurture your emotions, understand your emotional needs, and then try to define your boundaries and try to understand that you are going to understand the degree of investment, you're going to understand the percentage of investment, you're really going to be logical about your emotional needs and how you're going to derive them out of people and how much you're going to give to people. And this phase is bringing a lot of change in you, in your choice, in your partner, in the kind of people that you will end up with, and your emotional habits and patterns and your emotional expectations. So Leo, of course, this has got you like a lot of suffering. This current phase is not very, very happy and balanced for you. But at the same time, I need you guys to know that this is happening for a reason. This is new moon in Taurus. Everything that doesn't serve us need to go, need to leave us, and we need to be grounded. We need to be harmonious in our lives. And this is your time to take that call for yourself, Leo. This is your time to become like an emotionally healthier version of yourself, where you know who to invest in, who not to invest in. I don't see that you're going to leave this person behind or anything. There's a very big possibility that you guys will have certain conversations with each other, but at the same time, now you will show up as a changed person in this equation, is what I'm seeing right now. You are going to show up as a Queen of Cups. You're going to show up as like a King of Swords. You're going to show up somebody who's absolutely logically balanced and emotionally balanced. And you are certainly going to bring about all of these changes in your personality. And you are the whatever struggle that you're facing right now, of really struggling with this whole scenario, you're going to come out of it victorious, and you're going to come out of it you know a very changed and a mature human being, who knows the kind of partners that they would want, who knows the kind of partner that will be able to take care of their emotions, and who nurtures their own emotions. Well, this is a great reading, Leo. I also happen to learn a lot of a lot out of it, and I really like this vibe for you. I like how, how powerful you've taken this and how you're going to emerge out of it. This is it, Leo. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, if it resonates with you, and I will see you all next week.